All right, the fear that guides you. Let's talk about how it shapes your performance on a daily basis. Fear is completely normal. Fear is human. Fear is part of life and everyday life, and we all experience it. There is nothing wrong with you. But fear does not have to control your mindset. There are two types of fear. Fear that stops you from growing, so it paralyzes you in your tracks, and fear that pushes you forward and guides you toward your fire. So fear that stops you sounds like, I might fail. I might make a mistake. I might mess up. I might look bad to my teammates, my coach, my parents. Fear freezes you and makes you doubt your own self. The fear that guides you now, that sounds like it matters because you care and you want to grow and you want to do better. Fear that guides you shows you what you truly want deep inside. If you fear something, it usually means you care. You care about becoming better. You care about what you do. So ask yourself, what fear shows me what I really want? Does this fear show me that I care about improving myself? Or does this fear show me I need to challenge myself? Does this fear show you something important about your growth? Guiding fear is a sign that you're on the right path. It doesn't mean you need to stop trying at all. And it's normal to fear. It means step into your courage, step into your focus, and trust yourself. You've got this. Fear guides you forward. It doesn't hold you back. And honestly, the goal is to have zero fear. The goal is to use your fear as information, not as your identity. You feel fear and it holds you back, but yet use that fear to guide your strength. Tell yourself, I must really care about this. And so I'm going to work hard. I'm going to do better. I'm going to put in the work so that I can grow, so that I can get better. So two fears, right? One's the good fear that helps move you forward to the athlete you want to be. And one is the fear that paralyzes you because you're afraid to try. You're afraid to make mistakes. Don't let that fear overtake you. Are you ready? Take your fear on as a challenge and get after it.